welcome to my channel. Y'all make sure to subscribe if you haven't, especially if you've been here a few times and you like watching like mainly hair content. So as you can see, today I'm gonna be doing like a blown out braid out. I've done a blown out braid out before, like I think I've only done it one time before, but it was hideous, so I gotta try it again. The first time I did it, it was with the side part. And there's this somebody that I follow on social media, and she's always doing blown out braid outs, and they always look so good. And she does a middle part, so I'm gonna try a middle part today with my blown out braid out. So as you can see, I've already washed my hair. I deep conditioned it. I didn't like use anything in particular for that process. I'm really not using anything in particular. I'm just using actually just what I already have to do the blown out braid out. So I hope it comes out or turns out good. So first things first, of course, sorry if you hear that noise in the background. It's raining outside and it's a little loud. So also don't mind my hair. I know it looks a little crazy because we haven't moisturized it. We haven't detangled it. But I did use like very hydrating products to wash my hair and to deep condition it. I used I can't even think of the name of the shampoo, but the deep conditioner I used was the Shea Moisture like Manuka honey something one, because it's already been a while since me washing my hair. And then on top of that, I know with this blown out braid out, I want it to, you know, like last for a few days. And I don't know like how often I'm going to be like putting any type of moisturizer in my hair. So if I can stretch this braid out for a week, then that's what I'm gonna do. So I don't know how much, like I said, I don't know how much moisture my hair would get in like the time that I have it. I can't even gather my thoughts right. But of course, first things first, I just need to go ahead and detangle my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that right quick, and then I'll come back to y'all. Okay, so now my hair is all moisturized and detangled, even though for some reason it still looks a little bit dry, but it is moisturized. So now I put these little twists in my hair to, you know, just to keep it from drying so fast. And I know sometimes when people will do like a blown out braid out on their hair, some of the ones that I've seen at least, they will use like a blow dryer on the cool setting. But for me, I'm gonna do it with warm air or whatever. So I am going to use some of this Kimra Platinum blow dry spray on my hair to protect my hair. Yeah, I thought it was gonna say like what, you know, temperature it controls against, but I don't see that. So so yeah, I'm just gonna spray that all over my hair, work it in a little bit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start blow drying one section at a time. now my hair is all blow dried and I just need a comb to, okay, here's my comb. Go ahead and give myself a nice straight middle part. I try to get my hair as straight as I could with the blow dryer. Not that that's like a huge deal for me, but I just, you know. And I was thinking, I don't even know if last time I did the blown out braid out, when I was talking about I've seen people do it with the cool setting on their blow dryer, but like I said, I think I've only done one blown out braid out, and I'm kind of wondering, did I do it on cool air too? Is that maybe why I didn't like the results? I don't know, but we'll see. I'm just putting a little bit of sulfate down this part right here, since this will be shown probably the whole time that I'm wearing my hair like this. So, and my hair likes to get dandruff, so that's why I'm putting a little bit of that on. I always keep some of that handy, I do. So I don't know if I want the part deep, but just in case, I'm gonna get this part straight back here too. Okay, so now that that's done, okay, so what I'm going to use, like I said, I'm using stuff that I have. So if I can find it, I just had it. Oh, I have the TGIN twist and the TGIN twist and define cream. I haven't used this in a long time. I've used it before, but it's been a long time, like so long that there's like dust, a little bit of dust, not a lot, but just a little bit of dust on the lid. So it's nice and creamy, not too thick but not too thin, like right in the middle. But I like TGIN products because they're like really moisturizing, for me at least. So yeah, okay, so I went ahead and sectioned off a little piece of my hair. I'm only gonna do 3 braids on each side, and that's one because the person that I saw with that, I like her result, she did 3 on each side, and she has way more hair than I do. So I think I can even do 2, but for the sake of me just trying to leave everything the same, I'm just gonna do 3. So I put a little bit of the TGIN on my hands. It's not that much, as you can see. My hands are a little bit moist, but they're not like crazy moist. 1, I don't want my hair to try to revert back, and then 2, I don't even think I really need that much. So I know my hair likes to, you know, do what it wants to do, and I think I could have even got away with doing a little bit less, but so yeah, now I've got that in my hair. I'm not the I'm not the best platter either, but I know how to get it done. So I think the rest is just pretty much self-explanatory. So yeah, just of course wash your hair, deep condition it, blow dry it, well, detangle it, blow dry it, and then you start the braid. So y'all, so it's the next day, so it's finally time to take these braids out. Finally time for the moment of truth. Okay, so this is how it looks like, just the braids out, like no kind of sprucing up, no oil, no hairspray, no nothing. So I think what I'm going to do is, like, my hair, it doesn't like to hold a curl, so I am going to use some of this Tresemme Freeze Hold hairspray. It's the number 5 one. It goes by levels, the hold. It has a 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5, and I've got the 5 one. So okay, so now I'm gonna just do like that just to kind of, I don't know what you would call it, just like shake my fingers, I guess, or move my fingers through my hair to try to like get those parts out of my hair, because I don't want the parts that show, like the parts that go from ear to ear and then the one down the middle. So I'm just gonna like just try to get rid of that part. And I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see how it looks. I don't even know how it looks, but I do still feel the part. I still can feel it very well through my hair, so I don't feel the ones on the sides, so I don't feel that one. But let me try to use my comb to try to get rid of it. Okay, I don't feel it anymore, so hopefully it's gone, but I don't know. I'll probably have to get a mirror when I get out of here, but or before I leave. So, but this is pretty much the finished look, y'all. So, and I can say that I'm very pleased, very pleased with the turnout. Like I'm so shocked. I really didn't think I was gonna like this, because my hair, like I was saying yesterday, my hair is, the strands, they're so fine. So when I put any kind of plait or anything in my hair, as you can see, the braids were looking pretty skimpy, like really like slender and skinny, and that's because, like I said, my strands are so fine. So anytime, like I said, anytime I do anything like that, it just looks so small, and I wanted like the waves to be like, you know, a little fat. I wanted the braids to, you know, look a little fat, because that's just what I like. So and it just didn't look like that, so I was just like, I already know, like, this is probably not going to turn out good, but it really did. So yeah, I really like this hairstyle. I know people, y'all have probably tried this out a few times, or let me know if you have it, and now that you see it, you will let me know that also. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.